This is Andrea, one of our experienced operatives here at Vendaid. Andrea is going to show us how to isolate a leak on a DIY machine. Firstly, look for an obvious reason for the leak, such as a drip tray being full or a blocked mixing bowl. It is not advisable to try and fix a leak yourself. This may cause further damage to the machine and make the leak worse. Instead, open the door to the machine to expose the interior. Locate the power switch, normally clearly labelled, and switch off the power supply to the machine. If at all possible, locate the plug socket and isolate the mains as an extra precaution. If the leak continues, locate the stop tap to the machine and isolate the mains water. Clean any excess water from the area and call for a service engineer for support.